In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop ultimate booking system. So look at it. Let's just see how it's going to look like after developing it. It's going to be look something like this. Yeah, it's going to look something like this. I can sign up here, log in here, all this. So let me go back. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I'll go to my cPanel. But before going to my cPanel, the example of this script I'm about to develop is booking core. So let me now go back to my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. Use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install your script. I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So next, I close. Okay. I've already successfully extracted my file. Let me copy my subdomain name. Copy. Open a new tab. Paste it there. Enter. So next I click on check permission. All is well. So I click on check permission. So I will go to public. I will public or close. I will change the permission to 775. So let me go back to my file manager. Public. Like and subscribe to my channel. Upload. Changing the permission to 775. Save. Okay, let me check the next one. Storage, framework and logs. I'll change it to 775. So let me click on up one level. Storage, framework, I'll change it to 775. Logs, save. I'll go back to it again. The next one is bootstrap cache. Up one level. Change the permission. So now let me go back to my site and refresh it. So all our cells, that's why it is marked. So next I click on configure environment, set up database. Now to set up my database, I'll go back to my cPanel to set up my database. So I go to databases, manage my databases. So let me name my database as booking core DB. Yes. Then I click on create database. I've successfully created my database. Next I click on go back. After creating my database successfully, what next is for me to do is to create my user. Let me name my user as this. Yes. Then next I click on create user. So I've successfully created my user. Next I click on go back. After creating my database, I'm creating my user. What next for me to do is to add my user to my database. Let me scroll down. I'll make sure I select the one I just created. Then I click on add. Next I give up privileges. Scroll down to make changes. I've successfully given up privileges to my user, so let me copy my username. My database name, here is it. Then next I click on install. Next I'm going to click here to exit. I have successfully installed my script. As you can see, it is more like the one I showed you earlier when I showed you the demo. Use the IRM link in the description to hire me to help you develop your scripts. Thanks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.